Greenhouse gases are known to have a major impact on our climate, but how is this possible when they only comprise of 0.1% of the atmosphere? Greenhouse gases in the atmosphere trap heat like the glass roof of a greenhouse. Radiation from the sun gets absorbed by the greenhouse gases, which is then re-emitted as long-wave radiation or heat energy. This warms up the atmosphere to 30 degrees warmer than it would be without this effect. Water vapor, carbon dioxide or CO2, and methane are the major greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. Most of the greenhouse gases naturally present in the atmosphere come from the ocean. A large fraction of greenhouse gases are also produced by microbes breaking down dead plants and animals. And one way which CO2 is removed from the atmosphere is through photosynthesis. This carbon can then be stored in the plants or in the soil. The amount of greenhouse gases emitted into the atmosphere and removed from the atmosphere has naturally varied in the past, and these changes are related to climate variations. There is a natural control of the climate through the changes in the Earth's orbit around the Sun, which then changes the temperature on Earth and quantity of greenhouse gases like CO2 in the atmosphere. For instance, in warmer periods, when the temperature rises in the ocean, the circulation of the ocean weakens. And as a consequence, CO2 is less efficiently removed from the atmosphere by microorganisms. Additionally, the warmer ocean causes more dissolved CO2 to be expelled because of the chemical balance. On the contrary, during colder periods, organisms in the ocean work better at removing CO2 from the atmosphere, and more CO2 is able to be dissolved in the ocean. But there are many other reactions at play. For example, when the ocean temperature rises, there will be less sea ice in the Arctic and Antarctic. And since the ocean has a darker color than the ice, it absorbs more heat, again leading to the melting of more ice, and this cycle repeats itself. All of these processes amplify the changes in greenhouse gas levels, and therefore also the temperature in one way or the other. And these are called feedback loops. The climate controls changes in greenhouse gases, but the greenhouse gas changes also are amplifying the change in climate through these feedback loops. I'm a part of the Deep Ice project because it engages international collaboration to learn more about and to better understand our climate.